As artificial intelligence increasingly permeates the business world, investment analysts face the challenge of incorporating its multifaceted impact into traditional valuation methods. The discounted cash flow model, a cornerstone of financial valuation, requires significant adjustments to accurately reflect AI's transformative potential on business operations and risk profiles. In this video, I'd like to look at how we can adapt the critical components of DCF analysis, cash flows, discount rates, and terminal value, to account for AI's influence. Integrating AI into business operations can significantly alter a company's cash flow dynamics. Analysts must consider several factors when projecting future cash flows in an AI-driven business environment. AI has the potential to impact a company's revenue streams in several ways. Market share dynamics. Companies successfully leveraging AI may gain competitive advantages, potentially increasing market share. Conversely, those lagging in AI adoption might lose ground to more innovative competitors. New revenue streams. AI can enable the development of novel products or services, opening up entirely new revenue sources. Pricing power. AI-driven efficiencies or enhanced product offerings may allow companies to command premium pricing in specific markets. To accurately project revenues, analysts must assess the company's AI strategy, its potential for AI-driven innovation, and the overall AI adoption rates within the industry. AI can fundamentally alter a company's cost structure, affecting both operating and capital expenditures. Operational efficiencies. AI may reduce labor costs, improve supply chain management, and optimize resource allocation, potentially lowering operating expenses. R&D. Expenditure. Increased investment in AI research and development may be necessary to remain competitive, potentially raising costs in the short to medium term. Infrastructure costs. Implementing AI systems may require significant upfront capital expenditures, followed by ongoing maintenance and upgrade costs. Analysts should evaluate the company's current technological infrastructure, the scale of planned AI implementations, and industry-specific AI applications to project these cost impacts accurately. AI can impact working capital requirements through inventory management. AI-driven demand, forecasting, and supply chain optimization can reduce inventory levels, freeing up working capital. Accounts receivable, payable. AI can streamline billing processes and improve cash flow management, potentially reducing working capital needs. Accurate projections require understanding the company's current working capital efficiency and the potential for AI to optimize specific business processes. The discount rate in a DCF model, often represented by the weighted average cost of capital, WACC, requires careful recalibration to reflect AI's impact on a company's risk profile. AI may alter a company's sensitivity to market movements. Successfully implemented AI could lead to more stable operations and potentially lower beta. Analysts should consider developing forward-looking beta estimates that incorporate various AI adoption scenarios. The market-wide ERP may require adjustment to reflect AI's potential to smooth economic cycles or introduce new uncertainties. Analysts might consider developing AI-adjusted ERPs that factor in these macroeconomic implications. AI adoption can also impact a company's credit risk profile. Successful AI implementation may lead to more stable and predictable cash flows, potentially improving credit ratings and lowering the cost of debt. AI investments may necessitate changes in capital structure, affecting leverage ratios and, consequently, credit risk. A company's relative position in AI adoption within its industry could influence lender perceptions of its long-term viability and credit risk. Analysts should adjust credit spread models to incorporate AI-related metrics, such as AI investment levels relative to industry peers or measures of AI-driven operational efficiency. Given the uncertainty surrounding AI's impact, incorporating scenario analysis and sensitivity testing into DCF models is crucial. Develop best case, worst case, and most likely scenarios for AI adoption and its impact on cash flows and discount rates. Test the model's sensitivity to changes in key AI-related variables, such as implementation costs, efficiency gains, and revenue growth rates. Use probabilistic modeling to account for the range of possible outcomes related to AI adoption and its financial impacts. The terminal value calculation in a DCF model should reflect the long-term impact of AI on the business. Growth rate reassessment. Evaluate whether AI could enable sustained higher growth rates in the long term or if it might accelerate industry maturation. Competitive advantage period. Consider how AI might extend or shorten the competitive advantage period, potentially altering terminal value calculations assumptions. Industry disruption potential. Assess the likelihood of AI-driven disruption in the industry and its potential impact on long-term business viability. Incorporating AI's impact into DCF valuations requires a nuanced approach beyond simple adjustments to cash flow projections. Analysts must consider how AI affects various aspects of a business, from revenue generation and cost structures to risk profiles and long-term growth prospects. Critical considerations for analysts include developing a deep understanding of AI's potential in specific industries and companies, regularly updating assumptions as the AI landscape evolves, maintaining transparency in AI-related adjustments to facilitate scrutiny and refinement of valuation models, collaborating with AI experts to better assess AI initiatives, technical feasibility, and potential impact. By thoughtfully adjusting DCF models to reflect the multifaceted impact of AI, investment analysts can provide more accurate and forward-looking valuations in an increasingly AI-driven business environment. This approach captures the quantitative aspects of AI adoption and incorporates the qualitative factors that will shape a company's future in the age of artificial intelligence.